back to the channel. Nicky D from econfromhome.com here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Tribe leads to convert your website visitors into subscribers. Alright, so this is video number 3 from my blog and website creation series. So let's dive right into it. So I made a few changes to the website. If you remember, I started creating a health and fitness website. It looks absolutely awful with that green thing at the background, but it doesn't matter. So basically that is how your website can look like. Not as bad as this one, but obviously you can change the colors and all that. You can have some photo here of a lady that's quite slim. This is where the articles will start coming out. You can have you can make it like the beginning of the article to appear here, and etc, etc, etc. About the author, a few words, your social media stuff down there, and that's pretty much it. Every time when you add a new page, from here, new page, you add a page, then you're gonna add them to the menu, and you have a nice great looking menu up here, etc. Right, so this is how it will look like. So now what I'm gonna do is I'll just go and install Tribe leads. Obviously I have already downloaded the plugin, so you go to plugins, you click add new, and then obviously you can search the marketplace, but Thrive Teams is not on the marketplace, so you need to download the plugin, the zip file from their website, and then you click upload, click here, and it should be here somewhere. Here it is, Tribe leads. You click that, install now, and this is going to install the plugin. So why are we going to use Tribe leads? Now first of all, obviously Tribe leads is the plugin that works with Tribe Teams. I have used Tribe Architect to build the website, now the reason why we want to use Tribe leads or any other similar plugin is because we want people that actually visit our website to convert to subscribers. We want to have them on our email list, right? The reason why we want to do that is because when you've got visitors to your website, they're like random people that please update both plugins. Yeah, that's fine. So we need to update the plugins. You can just click here, update plugins. I just got some error message. Current version of Tribe leads is not compatible with the current version of Tribe Architect. So we will try to install them again, install Tribe leads again. It should be working now, so that's fine. So the reason why we want to have something like Tribe leads is because we want to convert visitors to subscribers. Now the reason why we want to do that is because when someone visits your website, he can just visit the website, consume the content, read your articles and stuff like that. That's the reason for their visit, obviously, and that's fine. But what we want to do is actually convert them to a subscriber, so you can keep emailing them, right? So that's the reason why we want to do that. And now I'm just gonna go to the option settings and check what's happening with Tribe leads. Here it is. It looks like it is installed, and Tribe leads dashboard. and here we are. Alright, so this is what Thrive Leads is. It is a very it's a decent plugin to capture leads. Okay, so we're gonna create a new lead group, which is here it explains everything. You can watch a video as well if you're not sure what anything is or how to use it. They've got these videos that basically show you how to use Thrive plugins. So we're gonna create something that we are going to give away for free. Okay, so we're gonna call it free giveaway for exchange for an email. Now, in the weight loss niche, that can be a report, or it can be pretty much anything, free ebook and stuff like that. So we're gonna create something, I don't know what, to give away in exchange for an email address, and then obviously you need to connect Thrive Leads to your email autoresponder. Now you can use many different autoresponders. Let me just have a look where it was. Um, you can you can use pretty much any autoresponder. Um, where was it? API connections, and you need to connect your account with your autoresponder. You can use GetResponse or Aweber or Drip or Infusionsoft or Mailchimp, and all of these here, Ontraport, etc. Um, Now I use a thing called Kartra, which is not available yet, so I can't connect Kartra to Thrive Teams with an API connection, but I have found a way around it, which is very simple. Basically, you just change the form with one from Kartra, but we're not going to talk about Kartra in this video, so yeah, that's what you do. You need to connect your email autoresponder here, and that's pretty much it. So let's go back to Thrive Leads. I'm gonna create a form, this one. I'm gonna create a new opt-in form here. So you can choose from many different types of opt-in forms. You've got in content, which is basically the form appears inside your article. You've got a light box that just pops, which is a pop-up form. You've got post footer, which is at the bottom of the article. You've got ribbon, which is at the top here. You've got screen filler that fills the whole screen. Scroll mat, I'm not sure what it is, like a screen filler, but yeah, something like that. Sliding, which is a small window that slides here at any at the bottom here. Or we've got widget, which is that thing here that appears on the right side, or it can be on the left side of the screen. So we're gonna create a light box, and so we've got the light box, and I'm just gonna click add, create form, give the form a name, 10 rules of skinny people, for example. That's just a name, doesn't mean anything. Yeah, so here it is, 10 rules of skinny people. That will be like a PDF report or something like that. You can choose a trigger, and we're gonna go for show on page load. Nope. We're gonna go show after a certain period of time, 10 seconds, smart exit. So this will pop up, the same form will pop up if someone is trying to exit the page as well. Okay, so display frequency, let's say every 3 days. Animation, so you can choose the animation, and here you can see a preview of how it would look like, and let's say we choose it like that. Edit design. So now we're gonna create that form. So you can basically choose a pre-made template again. That's what we did with the pages, with the homepage even. Or you can start from scratch and create a brand new form. So here you can see they've got loads and loads of different types of forms, like literally loads. And we're gonna choose something like, let's say this one. So here it is. Now obviously you have to change the picture. I haven't got a picture for a weight loss report. Um, you can get that from many places. Now the thing is that you need to be careful. Don't use Google for photos like that. Try to avoid, actually avoid doing that. There are millions of websites where you can register. The one that I use is called freepic.com. It's £10 a month, and they've got loads of you know, photos, images, and all that kind of stuff. Yeah. So use freepic, and here we are. Here you need to write the title, obviously, the 10 rules of weight loss. Weight loss. Here it is. Then you need to write a subtitle. Change the photos. You can change everything. Obviously you edit it with Thrive Architect. So the same way you edit your pages, the same way you're gonna edit your forms. Then we've got this button here. Now you can choose if you want a two-step form or just one step. So this is a two-step form, which obviously you have to click on the button and then another form will pop up. You fill in your email address in the other form and you're done. Yeah. Or you can just paste, or you can just put a form in there. There you go. It's called lead generation. You drag it, you drop it, and that's how it looks like. Okay. But we're gonna, I'm not gonna do it like that. We're gonna stay with the two-step form. So here you've got that button. When you click on it, not on the text, when you click on the button itself, you can choose its style, how big do you want it. I want it like that. And here you need to, you can enter a button link. That's one of the options. The other one is here somewhere. Oh yeah, so it's in animation and action. So on click, this button will switch state. When it switches state, you can see the second state here, and it just changes like that. Yeah. So when someone comes here, yeah, they want to get that free report, and they click send me the free download, and then the form itself will change like that. And when here you need to connect to your autoresponder, and what else? Edit form elements. No, we don't want to change that. That's fine. So this is basically how you create a simple pop-in form. Yeah. Now let's click preview and see how it looks like. Oops, nope. We want to preview state 1, yeah? Let me save it first. You can also, you actually should check how it looks like on mobile. Looks alright. Maybe this one needs to go in the middle, like that. There you go. And you click save. Then you come here, you click preview. And there you go. That's how the form will pop up on your website. 10 rules of weight loss. You click here, there you go, it changes. Then you enter your email address, and you've got a few options when you do that. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you now because it's not connected with my autoresponder. But basically, you can choose the form to say send a success message. Just say success. Also, you can go to another page, any page actually. So that's how you can create a funnel. So when someone downloads this, the page will refresh and then it will go to another page, or it can just do nothing. So that's basically it. And so this is how you create a very simple form inside Thrive Leads. Now let me show you something else. Now when you do that, so this is a free giveaway Lightbox, yeah. But what you can do is you can actually create not a Lightbox but a widget as well, yeah. You can create the form, then you come here, you edit the design, you create another form, and then at the end, no traffic is currently being sent to start tracking. So and then you can basically start an A/B test. So these forms will be like one will show to your visitors the first time, and then the second time the other one. So they will test each other out, and the one that converts better will be the main one. So it will pick an automatic winner between those two forms every single time when someone sees them. All right. So basically, inside Thrive Leads and Thrive Teams as a whole, you can test absolutely everything. Everything you can split test everything, so you can see what works and what doesn't. So the same thing can be done with another plugin, again from Thrive Teams. Again, it comes inside the Thrive membership, which is called Thrive Optimize, and it does the exactly same thing like this one, but it split tests different pages. Yeah. So for example, you can create 3 different layouts for your home page, and then you can split test them and see which one works better. Excuse me. So here it is. Yeah, that's what that is how you create opt-in forms. Now obviously you can add even more opt-in forms as well. Yeah. So this is just Lightbox, yeah, and then you can add another one. Let's say ribbon. You create the ribbon. It's the ribbon form, and then you can split test those two, yeah. So you compare Lightbox against ribbon. Which one will lead to more subscribers? And that's how it works. So inside the ribbon form, you can create 3 different types of ribbon forms. Inside the Lightbox, you can create loads of different types of Lightbox. Sorry. And then you test everything out, yeah. So that's how it works. Now lead shortcodes is very interesting, by the way. So lead shortcodes is basically, again, opt-in forms but inside your text, inside your article. So let me show you 10 rules of booking, for example, yeah. Add lead shortcode, and here it is, yeah. Now so this is basically a piece of code, yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'll just create a new form very quickly. I'm going to use a template. I'm not going to edit it or anything, and I'm going to show you how the shortcode thingy works, yeah. So we click here. By the way, I've got a full review of Thrive Architect somewhere on my YouTube channel, so you can see a link right now. You can click there and see a full review of Thrive Architect. And also don't forget to watch the previous videos that I've made. If you haven't watched them, they'll pop up right now somewhere. Make sure you watch them because they're all connected, you see. So here we are. We're going to pick this form, the first one, so we don't lose time. Choose template. Here it is. That's fine. Save. Exit. So we've got a form now, yeah? And edit design, clone. You can clone it and make some changes and then split test it. That's a good idea. Now here's the code, yeah? We're gonna copy that, and then we need to go back actually. So what you can do is basically you can lock pieces of your article with lead shortcodes. So for example, you can create an article, and the most valuable information, yeah, you can actually lock it behind a lead shortcode. And what this does is, while someone is reading your article and it's very interesting and it's so cool and it's very valuable and all that stuff, and then all out of sudden they see a lead shortcode, which basically is like a lock on the article, and if they want to unlock it, they need to enter their email. So here's how to do that. You click here, you click content lock, yeah. There should be a way to choose if you want the content lock um, to be just a blurry screen in the back, or you can just lock the whole thing so they can't see anything. But I think it's better if you just leave it a blurry screen so they can actually see that there's something good behind the lock here. So it kind of makes them enter the email address to unlock the content. Yeah. So here's that. I can't find where you can actually choose if you want it blurry or not. Advanced features, smart links, asset delivery, lead export. No. Not sure where it was. Was it here somewhere? Oh yeah, here it is. So lock mode is hide. It can be hide or it can be blurry. Warning: the blur filter is not supported in Internet Explorer. Now, if you're using an Internet Explorer, then just don't use it because it's a crappy internet browser, and everyone knows that. So let me show you how you can lock pieces of your content. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the home page, and then I'm gonna go and click on this article here. There's no content on the article though. There is no text on this article. Let me see. I think this one had some text. There you go. This one has some text. So what I'm gonna do is, can I edit it here? No, I can't. Edit post. Here's how it's going to work. Yeah. Now we'll have the text appear here, and then I'm gonna leave some space like that, and I'm gonna leave some more space here. So you paste the code from you paste that code, the Thrive lead lock code, yeah, and then you need to take this second part here where it says Thrive lead lock, post it at the bottom of the content that you want to lock, and then delete all that stuff here. Yeah. So the content between Google and Labs here should be locked. So let's have a look if it worked. We update it, and then we're gonna do view post. Something doesn't work properly. Maybe it's because it's not inside Thrive Architect. Probably that's the reason, yeah. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna copy the text like that. Then we're gonna edit it with Thrive Architect. Oh, for the internet is really slow. So here's what it says. Thrive lead shortcodes will not be rendered outside the content area when editing a page with Thrive Architect. Cool. We delete all of that and we're gonna place some text here. Alright, so now what I need to do is I'm gonna save that. I need to actually go and get the shortcode again. So yeah. So basically this shortcode can be used to lock content, yeah. Also it can be used on certain words, yeah. So for example, somebody clicks on a word and then a opt-in form pops, yeah. So that's what it is used for. But let me show you, okay, it's really interesting. I don't know if other tools, plugins, softwares, etc. can actually use that. I doubt it. I'm not sure, but I don't think they can. This is really slow. So yeah, this is what we do. So basically, when people go to your blog, your goal is to convert them into subscribers, right? You want them to be subscribers, and the reason why you want them to be subscribers is because um, that way you can keep sending them emails. You can you basically convert them. Oh, you convert them into traffic on demand. Yeah, that's what you do. Traffic on demand, and which is very beneficial because every time you've got something to say, you can actually say it to someone. Yeah, and not like write an article and then hope people to find it through Google, or like make a YouTube video and hope that people will see it, yeah? Because you don't control people on YouTube or Google or Facebook, but you can control traffic, not people, traffic on inside your email list. So let's see if it's going to work now. So we are going to cover these two, yeah? Let's see. Preview. Oh, here it is. Yeah, so this is how it looks like, guys. So let's imagine that this is proper text, yeah, an article. So people read, yeah, and then you can just do it like that, yeah. So when is the most valuable information, the most interesting part of your article, you just place a few dots, yeah, and then so they know that the thing actually continues, and then here it is, yeah. So here you can place a lock, yeah. If you want to read the full blah blah blah, enter your email, yeah. When they click here, to the email. That's how it works. Like that's how it works, yeah. So this is what Thrive leads code is, okay. And let me just exit this thing. So Thrive boxes is the other thing that I've told you, yeah, which is basically the same as a Thrive shortcode, yeah, but it's basically you copy this one and you paste it on a word or something like that, you know, a specific word, and when somebody clicks on that word, let's see if we can do it. And when somebody clicks on it, the form will appear. So basically, the whole thing is Tribe Leads has so many ways, so many ways that you can collect leads. It's just unbelievable, and I basically think that it's the best probably plugin, WordPress plugin for this specific purpose. Um, let's see how is this going to work. Yeah. Insert a link. No. So here's that. Again, the same thing. You copy. Wait a second. I'm going to delete that, and then we're going to do like that. So this is going to be the trigger. Okay. Again, the same thing like the previous one. Yeah. Just do like that. Save. Preview. No form found. Oh, there is no form. Anyway, you get the point. Yeah, this is how it works. And this is what Tribe Leads basically is. This is what we use it for. We got some advanced features. So asset delivery, I never managed to use this one because it looks like it wants a different autoresponder, because it's not it calls a, they call it a delivery service. Yeah. Now delivery service is like an autoresponder, but not exactly. Um, so you've got all of these: Mandrill, you've got SendGrid, Mail Relay, Spark Post, Sendinblue. So you've got a few, but not a lot, to be honest. And I don't understand why it doesn't. I mean, I know there's some different types of autoresponders and all that stuff, um, but you will have to find a way around, because I couldn't, and that's why I didn't deliver anything inside Thrive Teams, but with the autoresponder itself. You can connect it with Amazon SES if you use it. So this is what Thrive Leads asset deliveries, that basically sending a digital file, a product, a PDF or anything like that to your leads, your visitors, your subscribers, etc. Using Thrive Leads itself. Also, what else can you do? Leads export is obvious. Now, smart links is interesting. Now, smart links is basically I use smart links when I email my email subscribers, and I'm going to send them to a post that I've just written on my blog or something like that. Yeah. So basically, what it does is it makes your opt-in forms not to appear to, because there is no point if you're sending your email subscribers to your blog all of these opt-in forms to appear again, because they might find it a bit, you know, annoying. So what we do is define where you want to send your visitors. We're going to send them to a post, which post 10 something, 10 muscle building rules, and I'm gonna send that link to my email subscribers. Step 2, tell us which lead groups you want to target. I want to target all forms on my website, because I already have their email address. So this is going to be for the free delivery thing. I want to, you can display the already subscribed state of the form or hide the forms. Hide the forms. How long should this behavior last for? Only once, until the visitor closes the browser tab. Here is the link. You copy the link and you use it inside your autoresponder to send your visitors this smart link, and when they come to your blog, they won't see your opt-in forms because they're already subscribed to your email list. What else we've got? We've got settings, nothing interesting here. We've got leads report. There's nothing to show there right now because there are no leads. But let me just click it and see how it looks like. So yeah, basically you can see all your opt-in forms here. When traffic starts coming to your website, you will see the lines when somebody subscribes and all that. So basically it gives you a very good information about how everything works. So this is Thrive Leads, guys, and that's the end of the video. I hope you found value in it. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel because we've got more WordPress content coming out. We've got maybe next week, I'm not sure when, I'll start creating more content about what happens when somebody subscribes, yeah, because that's basically where the magic happens, yeah. So this is like what website visitors will see, yeah. This is what people will see when they come to your website. You need to make something interesting, something that they think is valuable, so they can subscribe to your email list and keep coming for more information. Yeah, it needs to be valuable, it needs to be interesting, it needs to look great, because that's what they see. You know, there is a saying that people first eat with their eyes, which I'm not sure if it has something to do with blogging and WordPress, but let me just say it. So this is the front end of the whole system, yeah. Then when somebody subscribes, this is what is called the back end, and this is where things change, right? So stay tuned, we've got this coming up, but before that there are a few more things that I want to talk about inside WordPress, so stay tuned for that as well, and I'll see you soon, very soon.